So this is a tent that I purchased quite recently. It's a Phoenix Mountaineering Phreak, that much I know. But I need your help in trying to find out what version this tent is. I have no idea whatsoever. I don't know when it was made. I don't know if it was from the 80s or the early 90s. I just don't know. So please, can you help me? So if you can give me any information, any feedback or any background knowledge on this tent, then please leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it.